Let us start exercise 5.1, question number 4, 15th part. You see, 15th part is given, that is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 and so on. You just square it, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 73 square 73 as it is. So 25 minus 1 is equal to 49 minus 25 is equal to 73 minus 49. So in all cases we are getting the common difference, that is 24, 24, 24. So yes, it is an arithmetic progression and common difference is 24. The next three terms are, you just add 24 to 73, we will get 97. 97 plus 24 you will get 121. 121 plus 24, that is 145 and 169. Now let us proceed to the exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Fill in the blank in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN the nth term of the AP. Now you see, I have mentioned serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, D common difference, N the nth, N means the number of the term that you indicate, AN, that N means the nth term, so that is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Wherever there is a calculation that I have done in this column, calculation part. So 7, that is given, the first term is given to us, common difference is 3, number of terms is 8, so nth term will be equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3, that is equal to 28. This will be the answer for the first part of question number 1. Second part, now proceed. You see, minus 18 is the first term given. This is blank. In the book you will see that it is a blank where I have mentioned answer. Now the n means the number of terms, that is 10 is given. So, and 0 is the nth term. 0 is the nth term. So here I have worked out. You see, the common difference is equal to an minus a upon n minus 1, that is equal to 0 minus in bracket 18 whole divided by 10 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So the common difference will be 2. This will be the answer I have mentioned here in appropriate column. Now third part, the first term is given, that is 46, common difference is minus 3. No, first term is not given, we have to work out. That is why I have mentioned the 46 answer. So it is to be worked out. Common difference is minus 3, number of terms is 18, nth term is given, that is 5. So for A, we have to work out for A, means the first term we have to find out. So n is equal to 18. So minus 5, that is nth term. The minus 5 is equal to 18 minus 1, bracket closed. In the second bracket, that is minus 3, common difference, plus A. So then work out A will be equal to 46. That 46 I have written in appropriate column, that is A is equal to 46 in the third part. Now proceed to the fourth part of the question number 1, that is first term is given, that is minus 18.9, common difference is given 2.5. We have to find out number of terms. It is blank in the book. Now you see, the nth term is given, that is 3.6. So to work out number of terms, we followed this formula. that is an minus a plus d whole divided by d, that is an means nth term, that is 3.6 minus, inside the bracket write down minus 18.9 bracket closed plus 2.5 whole divided by 2.5. You solve it, you will get 10, and that is I have filled in the n column, that is 10 here. Now proceed the fifth part, that is 3.5, common difference is 0, number of terms is 105. We have to work out the nth term. So here I have solved it. Nth term means you see the first term, that is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. So this complete portion will become 0. We are left with 3.5, and this will be the answer for the fifth part of the question number 1, exercise 5.2. Now come to the question number 2 of exercise 5.2, that is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First part is that 30th term of an AP is 10, 7.4, 7, 4, and so on. These are the arithmetical progression. That is, here you see 10, 7, 4, and so is minus 77. Means we have to find out, choose the correct choice of the following and justify. So here the 30th term, a 30th is equal to, 30th term we have to find out, is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 bracket closed, in the second bracket write down minus 3, that is the common difference. You see 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. So here I have written minus 3. So 10 minus 87 is equal to minus 77. Justification is completed here. Now proceed to the second part. 11th term of an AP is 22 given. We have to justify it. So first of all we will work out the common difference, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 3, that will be equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3, that will be equal to 2 and 1 by 2. Or you solve it, you will get 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, again 2 and 1 by 2. In both the cases we are getting common difference 2.5. Now the 11th term, that is minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into common difference, that is 2 and 1 by 2, equal to minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So 10 I have cancelled with the 2. So it has become 5 into 5, that is 25. So minus 3 plus 25, that is 22. 22 is justified answer, which I have written on the top. This will be the answer. Now proceed to the question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. You see the boxes I have made here. 2 blank box is there, 26 is given. So we have to fill the missing term of the arithmetic progression. So your first term is given and third term is given. So 26 will be equal to first term, that is 2 plus 3 minus 1, means this is the third term, so 3 minus 1 into d. D means common difference, that is equal to, d will be equal to 26 minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 1, that is 24 by 2, that will be the 12. 12, we have got the common difference. So first term plus common difference, that is 12. So 2 plus 12 will be equal to 14. This will be the answer. Now come to the second part, that is first term is 18, first term is blank, second term is given, that is 13, 18, third term is also missing, and fourth term is 3. So A plus D means this 13. A plus D means the first term plus common difference. 13 is given. And again A plus 3D means fourth term is given, that is 3. So here we can find out the value of A. These are the two equations. A plus D is equal to 13, A plus thrice D is equal to 3. So I have done by cross multiplication. A is equal to 39 minus 3 by 3 minus 1, that is 36 divided by 2, that will be 18. So your first term will be 18. Common difference will be equal to, you see, from this equation, these two equations, we can find out common difference by cross multiplication. So D will be equal to 3 minus 13. You see, cross multiply is left to down and minus left to up. So 3 minus 13 whole divided by 3 means 1 into 3. In denominator 3 minus 1. So minus 1 I have done. You see, the 3 minus 13, that is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. Ultimately we will get minus 5. That is minus 5 is the common difference. And your first term is 18. So put 18 in the first box. To work out the third term, we will follow that 13 plus common difference, that is minus 5. So 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. Now proceed to the third part. You see these boxes are missing. We have to fill with the correct answer. So 5 and 9 and 1 by 2 is given. Here A is given, that is 5. A fourth means first, second, third, fourth. So A fourth means fourth term, that is 5 plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 19 by 2. That is 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So 3D. You see, 4 minus 1, that is 3D. 3D will be equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. You solve it, you will get 9 by 2. So again, if you solve, D will be equal to 9 by 2 in the denominator, multiply it by 3 because it was the 3D. So D will be equal to 9 by 2 into 3. Ultimately solve it, you will get 3 by 2, that is 1 and 1 by 2. So we have to fill this second term, means our common difference is 1 and 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1 and 1 by 2, that will be 6 and 1 by 2. In 6 and 1 by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 2, that will become 8. So 6 and 1 by 2 and 8 are the appropriate answer for the third part of the question number 3. Now proceed to the question number fourth part. You see the minus 4, that is first term, is given to you. There are 4 boxes and at the last you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth term is given, that is 6. So A is equal to minus 4. So 6 will be equal to the sixth term. Sixth term is 6. So that will be equal to minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 into D. So common difference will be 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So we have got common difference 2. So just add minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Again add my 2 to this, you will get 0. And again add 2, then you will get 2. Again add 2, you will get 4. So I have completed in this way this complete box, that is, which was blank earlier. Now come to the fifth part, that is, we have to fill these boxes. 38 is given, minus 22 is given. So A plus D means the first term is A. So A plus D, that is 38, is given. Now come to this part. So this is the sixth term. So A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A is known, A is not known. So this will become A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So we are having two equations. A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. A plus D is equal to 38. So just subtract the A plus D from the A plus 5D. You will get 4D is equal to minus 60. Therefore, the D will be equal to minus 15. So once you have got to minus 15, the common difference, you subtract minus 15 from 38. So 38 minus 15, that will give you 53. Means 38 minus 15, that will become plus. So 38 plus 15, that will become 53. Now to get 38 minus 15, while you are going to add it, but it is common difference is in minus, so you will get 23. Again add minus 15, you will get 8. Again add minus 15, you will get minus 7. In this way we can complete these three boxes, and that will be the answer. Now question number 4. Which term of an AP? Which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18, dash is 78? We have to find the number of terms whose nth term is given, that is 78. So here you see A is equal to 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. So n minus 1 will be equal to 78 minus 3 upon 5. That will give you the answer, that is equal to 15. Now n will be equal to transpose minus 1 to this side, it will become plus. So 15 plus 1, that is the 16th term. So the total number of terms are 16. Now question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetical progression. This is the first part, that is 7, 13, 19, dash 205. Here A is equal to 7 given, common difference you can work out, that is 6. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 205 is given. We have to find the number of terms whose nth term is 205. So 7 plus n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205. So n minus 1 will be equal to 205 minus 7 divided by 6. This is just transpose this 7 to this side. So we will get 205 minus 7 divided by 6. Ultimately you will get 198 divided by 6, and divide it, you will get 33. So n minus 1 is 33, so n will be equal to 1 plus 33, that will be the 34th term. Now the second part, that is arithmetical progression, is given, that is 18, 15 and 1 by 2, 13 and ultimately minus 47 is given. So common difference, so the last term is given, that is minus 47, and A, that is first term, is given 18. So we have to find out the common difference, that will be equal to minus 2 and 1 by 2. Minus 2, 1 by 2, because it is decreasing. So it will be minus 2 and 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 5 by 2. So to find out the last term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to L. L means the last term, which is given to you already. So 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So this minus 5 by 2 will be equal to minus 47. You see, n plus 1 will be equal to minus 47 minus 18 whole divided by minus 5 into 2. You solve it, minus 47 minus 18, that will become minus 65. And 2 by 5, that is minus 5 by 2. So here I have written, in place of D, I have written minus 5 and 2 will go up. So ultimately we will get 13 to the 26. The 26 will be the answer. So in order to get, that is 26, that is equal to n minus 1. So n will be equal to 1 plus 26, that is 27th term. This will be the answer, 27th will be the answer. Question number 6, check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. Let AP, that is given, arithmetic progression, that is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Here first term is 11, D is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Therefore 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, that is common difference, is equal to minus 150. You see, minus 150 I have written here. So n minus 1, you can work out, that will be equal to 161 upon 3. So ultimately find out the value of n here. So 161 upon 3 plus 1, that will be 164 by 3. Or further solve it, the number of terms will be 54 and 2 by 3. The number of terms cannot be represented in the fractional part, or its answer cannot be in the fraction, but whereas we have got the mixed fraction, that is 54 and 2 by 3. So I have written here, no, it is not in arithmetic progression. So in this way the question number 6 is completed. Now proceed to the question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So A plus 11 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38. Similarly for A plus 16th term is given, that is 16 minus 1 into D, that will be equal to A plus 15D is equal to 73. So just subtract it. I have just changed the sign and subtracted it. I got it to minus 5D is equal to minus 35. So D will be equal to, minus will be cancelled and 5 7 are 35. So D will be equal to 7. Therefore A plus 10 into 7, so put the value of D here in the first equation. So A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So A will be equal to 38 minus 70. That will be equal to 30 minus 32. So we have to find out A31 means the 31st term, 31st term or 31st term. So write down the first term, that is minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 means n minus 1 into d. D is the common difference, that is 7. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7, that will be equal to minus 32 plus 210 is equal to 178. This will be the answer.